Welcome back to Finance Unpacked, where we simplify smart money moves and decode financial technology to help you grow wealth confidently. In today's episode, we're diving into the AI revolution that's reshaping retail investing in 2025. Once upon a time, access to high-level research, real-time market analysis, and predictive trading strategies was limited to Wall Street insiders and hedge funds. But times have changed. Thanks to artificial intelligence, everyday investors now have access to powerful tools that help eliminate guesswork and emotion from investing. Imagine having an AI-powered analyst in your pocket, one that scans markets 24/7, summarizes reports in seconds, flags risks before they happen, and even suggests trade opportunities. Whether you're managing a modest portfolio or just getting started, these tools give retail investors a real edge. In this video, we'll cover the top free AI tools in 2025 that you can start using today to improve your portfolio performance, save time, and invest with greater confidence. Let's unpack the tech that's making investing smarter. Why AI matters for retail investors. Retail investors face three massive challenges. Information overload. Every day, thousands of articles, tweets, earnings reports, and financial metrics flood the market. Emotional investing. Fear and greed often override logic, leading to poor decision-making. Time constraints. Most people simply don't have hours to analyze charts or financial reports. This is where AI becomes a game changer. Modern AI systems can process millions of data points in seconds. They identify patterns, analyze sentiment, summarize reports, and send alerts, removing much of the emotional and cognitive burden from investing. Think of AI as your digital financial co-pilot. It doesn't replace your judgment but enhances your decision-making with real-time data and unbiased insights. And the best part? Many of these tools are free and accessible. Let's explore 5 of the most impactful AI-powered platforms built to help retail investors thrive. 1. Finch Chat, your AI-powered financial assistant. FinchChat.io is like having a friendly, intelligent market analyst available 24/7. It answers complex financial questions in plain English and pulls data straight from financial reports, news feeds, and filings. Want to compare Tesla and Ford's gross margins? Just ask. Curious about Apple's latest earnings call? Finch Chat summarizes it for you instantly. This tool is perfect for quick comparisons, e.g., P/E ratio of NVIDIA versus AMD. Researching market sectors. Summarizing 10K and 10Q filings. Checking recent analyst upgrades/downgrades. The interface feels like you're chatting with ChatGPT, but it's built for finance nerds. It saves hours by cutting through the noise and giving you only what matters. Key features. AI chat interface. Connects to real-time market data. Understands complex financial language. Summarizes lengthy financial reports instantly. Perfect for DIY investors, stock researchers, and anyone who wants quick, accurate answers without digging through dozens of sources. 2. Portfolio Pillot. Smart portfolio management. Managing a multi-asset portfolio is tough. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate. How do you track it all and stay balanced? Portfolio Pillot uses AI to assess your portfolio's health. Instead of just showing you gains and losses, it analyzes risk, diversification, and even suggests optimization strategies. Say you're overweight in tech and underexposed to healthcare. Pillot will highlight this imbalance, simulate market scenarios, and recommend reallocation options based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. You can also run what-if simulations, e.g., what if interest rates rise 1%? Set performance goals, e.g., annual 8% return with medium risk. Receive alerts if a position grows too risky or drops below a threshold. Key features. Cross-asset portfolio tracking. Risk profiling and optimization. Rebalancing suggestions. Alerts for deviations and volatility spikes. Ideal for intermediate to advanced investors who want full control of their asset mix and risk exposure. 3. AlphaSense. Institutional-grade research for individuals. AlphaSense is a secret weapon on Wall Street, but now it's available to individual investors too. This platform uses AI to scan through earnings call transcripts, CC filings, news articles, analyst research papers. It identifies the most relevant snippets and presents them to you in an easy-to-understand summary. For example, if you're researching Google, AlphaSense will flag mentions of regulatory risks, summarize key quotes from the last earnings call, and even show trends across industry peers. Why it's powerful? Most retail investors never read 100-page 10K filings or listen to full conference calls. AlphaSense does it for you, spotting red flags, bullish signals, and hidden gems. Key features: semantic search across thousands of documents, context-aware summaries, analyst sentiment detection, competitor comparisons. Best for serious investors who want an edge without spending hours on manual research. 4. TrendSpider, AI technical analysis tool. Love charts but hate the grind? TrendSpider is your solution. It uses machine learning to automate support/resistance detection, trendline accuracy, technical pattern recognition, e.g., double tops, wedges, real-time alerts based on custom trading setups. Say goodbye to messy hand-drawn trend lines. TrendSpider adjusts lines based on historical volatility and pattern confirmation. You can set it to notify you when a stock breaks out of a long-term range, RSI hits extreme levels, volume spikes indicate institutional buying. Key features: automated chart pattern analysis, strategy backtesting with AI, real-time breakout alerts, multi-time frame analysis. Perfect for swing traders, technical analysts, and those who use price action strategies. 5. ChatGPT with plugins, your all-round investing assistant. You already know ChatGPT, but with financial plugins, it becomes a powerful assistant for investors. With tools like Market Data, SEC Filing Reader, Yahoo Finance, and ETF Screener, you can compare companies based on free cash flow, EPS, or ROI. Summarize earnings reports. Screen ETFs by sector and performance. Ask macroeconomic questions, e.g., inflation trend versus interest rate policy. Instead of bouncing between 10 tabs, you just type your query and get consolidated results. Example queries. Summarize NVIDIA's Q1 2025 earnings call. Show me top 5 dividend-paying tech stocks in 2025. Compare Apple and Microsoft's revenue growth over the past 5 years. Key features: financial analysis through conversation, real-time data via plugins, custom screeners built into the chat, AI-powered summaries. Great for beginners, time-strapped professionals, and data-driven investors who want insights fast. From Finch Chat's research on demand to TrendSpider's auto-charting, and from AlphaSense document intelligence to portfolio Pillot's smart risk management, you now have Wall Street-grade tech at your fingertips. Here's your action step. Choose just one AI tool from today's list and integrate it into your weekly investing workflow. You'll be amazed at how much more clarity and confidence you gain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tech breakdowns every week. Let us know in the comments, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching Finance Unpacked, where smart money meets smart tech.